Hi, Lindsay. This is Brianna with Toriar Digital Marketing. Alan had spoken with my associate Amber and let her know that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to have your website speaking Google's language to start bringing in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand that business owners reach that point where they're so busy running the business, they don't have that free time to just sit in front of a computer all day and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the customers to them. And what we found holds owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is obviously not knowing which one's going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these free plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's been a lot of owners who reach back out to us and ask for us to help them get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see we know our stuff and we can deliver you good results, then you can always give us a call back to chat. If you want to take the information and just make changes to the site yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to talk about 3 quick points today. That's content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here, and you do have a beautiful site. I like that you've got forms to fill out. You've got the call to actions. I also wanted to point out for your recoding page, it's still showing that the page content is coming soon. I don't know if that is something you guys are actively working on or maybe just forgot about, but just wanted to give you that heads up. Now, as far as the appearance, Google is not ranking you based on the appearance of the site. Google is actually using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers scan all the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the search results for customers. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. When you have your site set up this way, it's actually going to do 2 things. It's going to show Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google putting your website on more customer search results, which means more business. I actually have an example here of just how keywords play a role. Roof Repair Tucson is getting almost 400 searches a month. So when customers do a search, they're going to see this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. Now, there's different keywords you can get ranking on here, and I did find a few that you guys were at the top of the list for. I just wanted to give you tips on how to optimize it. So you want to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to get citations. A citation is just an online directory like Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there. You just want your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors, and that's going to push you to the top 3. Make sure you're targeting those good keywords too. This is where customers spend a lot of their time. Now down here, this is the organic search results. The top 5 sites here, Google actually is rotating in a Google dance for the first position, but at the moment your top competitor is West Coast Roofing. So we're going to go over to their site, and I'll be using them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. So here we can see just how much content they have, and the fact that they're limited on content means they're going to be doing something on the back end, but this shows that they're going to be easy to outrank against for you guys. For the other side of the site, we use this tool called Ahrefs. So this is showing what's happening on the back end of the site. I can see you have a homepage ranking of 25, which is excellent. Your domain ranking for the entire site is a little lower at 1.8. To optimize this, you want a 1-to-1 ratio. Now the domain ranking is made by the backlinks. So a backlink is just when another site online links to your site and drives traffic to you. Google is really competitive, so they love backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. So before you link to a site, you want to be sure that it's high ranking and relevant to the industry. So at the moment, you have 150 links coming from 40 sites. You have 102 keywords. And as I said, you guys are doing pretty good on your keywords. All of this is giving you about 71 monthly traffic. I also want to point out you're running 12 ads currently. With ads, you want to be very careful on what keywords you target because you want that good return on investment. So Roof Repair Mesa, Arizona, you're paying $25 a click for, and there's 90 searches a month happening for that. Angie's List roofing, people are generally trying to find Angie's List. So you're getting $7 every time someone clicks on that, and you may or may not be getting a lot of results from those people clicking because this is 250 searches across the country. You want to be targeting keywords that are area specific, like these ones. American Roofs is a competitor, so I wouldn't be running an ad for that because people may click. That charges you the money, and then they're going to back out when they realize you're not the competitor that they're looking for. And then some of these keywords as well, you know, I've never found a homeowner, like I said, I used to own a roofing company. I've never found a homeowner that knew the terminology for the roof materials. So I highly doubt we're going to be really coming across any homeowners searching this term. This is more targeted for the actual roofing contractors that are looking for supplies. So I would just go through and make sure that your keywords show that buyer intent for the service areas you cover. Now, I also want to go over and point out, let me go ahead and switch here. So other than that, you guys are doing pretty good. We're going to go and take a look at the West Coast Roofing. So they do have a higher ranking site. Whatever high quality backlinks they're using, we would take and put onto your site. But we also want you to really be outranking your competitor. So we're going to go find even more backlinks that are high ranking just so you get a higher authority. So they have 419 links coming from 82 sites. They have 405 keywords, and all of this is giving them about 522 traffic each month. So there is a way to really expand your business. There is a search volume happening, and obviously with your specialized service, there's going to be more particular keywords you're looking for. I do want to point out as well that you have a free roof giveaway. I highly recommend using this as an ad because you guys are going to get really good results with that. So quick recap, this works well for customers just like employees. So I want to make sure you got the 3 things checked down. That's going to be at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 words on each back service page. You want to use that rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. Then you want to get your company information into as many online directories as you can and make sure your Google My Business is targeting all the buyer intent keywords. Then you need to go get high quality backlinks relevant to the roofing industry. With these steps, you guys will be ranking #1 across Google. I know this was a long video with a lot of information. You can take the information and apply it yourself. That's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education. My team is really looking for the feedback. We want to make sure we're delivering good value in these videos. Now, if you did want any help getting this stuff done, you can always give us a call to chat. We'd be more than happy to see if we'll be a good fit together, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees, whatever you need. My partner will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback, so thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it had good value in it for you. Take care.